This video documents the process of VCT removal, surface preparation, and epoxy flake installation. The process begins by removing the existing vinyl tile. The machine makes it easy to scrape the old tile free from the floor. The pieces loosen under control to lessen the likelihood of damaging the finished surfaces. The residue left behind after the tile removal is the tile adhesive. To remove the bulk adhesive, a rotary machine outfitted with carbide scrapers is used. The machine is attached to a HEPA vacuum, so the process takes place dust-free. The aim is to only remove the thickest portion of the adhesive residue. The base concrete slab is still not clean. Once the scraping is finished, diamond cleaning takes place to remove all the glue and create the necessary profile. Sand and water are used to help the machine productively do their work. Also attached to the HEPA vacuum, the grinding process is done dust-free. The result is a clean and profiled concrete surface. To finish the surface preparation process, shot blasting is done to remove all the fine dust. This is the dust that was created during the grinding process and subsequently packed into the pores of the concrete. Once the blasting is done, the concrete will be completely clean and absorbent to receive the epoxy coating. A 100% solids epoxy is chosen as the system's base. The epoxy is gauged by notch squeegee to control its thickness. Once the epoxy is placed, vinyl flake is broadcasted over and into the wet epoxy. This process is repeated until the floor is fully coated and the flake provides full coverage.
Yeah, 4 hours. I'm okay with 6 hours. Because by the end of the day.
After an overnight cure, the work starts by scraping smooth and flattening any sharp edges. This process ensures the top coat will be uniformly smooth and have no protrusions that would affect its regular cleaning. Once the scraping and vacuuming is complete, the floor is ready for the protective top coat. This is the final layer to protect the epoxy flake system. It's a fluid-applied polyaspartic resin that exhibits excellent abrasion and stain resistance. It's applied by squeegee to control its thickness.
Tomorrow morning around 9:30, I need you to come.
Working as a team, the installers coordinate its placement and finish it by back rolling. The process done correctly yields a uniform protective layer that exhibits a nice shine and provides ease of maintenance. And that's about it. Vinyl tile removal, adhesive removal, fine dust removal, and epoxy vinyl flake installation.